Hello everyone, this is Amber from Lucin Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging, designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. This one in my hand. It is produced by dry pressing process and made from recycled paper material. It is filled with glass bottles. And such you can see, the surface is texture and low. We design each product from samples, so the glue fits perfectly. Such you can see. And the color of the product is the original color of the raw material. Because our product is zero pollution, zero emission, and the waste water can be reused. If you are interested in this product and you have required about it, just feel free to contact us. Thank you.